Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to day 2. I hope you enjoyed cardio day yesterday. Today is going to be Yoga Tuesday. So we're going to watch one of Adrian's yoga videos. I'm going to run through the page quick so you guys know what to do. Alright, so Yoga Tuesday, here we go. Watching my video, off to a great start. Always double checking that everything in the grade book is up to date, please. If you need the YouTube links, I'm going to try to remember to always put those in task 1. I know I did not do that yesterday. My apologies. Task 2 today. Here we go. We have Adrian's yoga video. Some of you have maybe done this before in a different class, but here's the link if you need it. You're going to follow along with her throughout the video. It's going to be a 30-minute workout, and now is a good time to de-stress. Okay, I know you guys are sitting around a lot at home. You're on your computers all day trying to do your homework on Schoology and distance learning. This is really a good time to just get your body moving, getting those endorphins going and feeling good about yourself. Okay, and it might be a little bit challenging as well. So 30 minutes, do a good job with that, and then we'll go down to task 3 here. So you're going to upload a video reflection below. So like yesterday when you turned in a video, today's going to be the same thing for your 10 points, except today's video has 4 parts. In total, it'll be about a minute long. That's all I'm asking for. The first part, you're going to explain how you feel about yoga. So some of you might love it, some of you might not. This is your time to tell me how you feel about yoga and following along with yoga videos at home. Part 2, 3, and 4 are going to be similar. You're going to be demonstrating 15 seconds of an exercise from today's video. Okay, so as you're going through the workout today, kind of try to remember where you like 3 different exercises. So if at about the 10-minute mark, you're like, oh, yep, this is a good one I could use for my video, remember that. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever it is. Okay, but you need 3 different exercises from today's video, and you're going to record yourself for 15 seconds of each just doing that exercise. Okay, so you can go straight from part 2 to part 3 to part 4. Okay, it's all going to be in one video, so if you have it all planned out, okay, it should go pretty smoothly and be about a minute long. If you have any questions about what you need to include in your video, please reach out and let me know. Once you have that, you're going to upload it here in your yoga reflection video. Okay, and then don't forget part 4 of today is your daily check-in. Remember, 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Please, please, please do your daily check-in. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions.